So you feel like him tough, 4 or 5 fat like yeah when it rims up. Girl alone knows everything tough. What you mean by feel like him tough? But him and lad that thought they want fix up.
Hi, welcome to Soulflow TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. This one here is Relevant versus Chip Glock. I know say a little war go on still. I know little war, a big war, the thing nice. You know, right now under the whole quarantine thing, this is exactly what we need. Some sort of entertainment. You see what I say? So, right into this, and without no further ado, listen, this is a dancehall thing, and words might be used in here that you don't like. So if you're one of them people that were hitey and tighty and you're not into the dancehall thing, please don't let me see your stupid comments in the comment section below. Just forward, go to one of the videos that are more intellectual and more up to your speed. Alright? So, we're talking about Law Boss, aka Chronic Law, and we are talking about Patriot, the great one, Jamil. I mean, I tell us, the tune we are going to talk about right now is Relevant versus Chip Glock. So, let's start off with Law Boss, Chronic Law drops Relevant, and Jamil, Patriot, great man, answers with Chip Glock. Relevant. The lines in Relevant were shot. One of them him say, Bobo Hill, we not like Rasta, we mix up, right? Another one him say, I'm a great man. You hear that? A waste man. Now if you know, Jamil calls himself great man, right? And this man I make him know say a waste man. I'm a great man, a waste man. You understand? A little play on his name in words. Me like when time them a war and me know have to guess who they are talking to. In this one here, me know have to guess who they are talking to. You understand? Relevant again. Him say, you hear that? Them strongest soldier and a brave like a Delia. Alright, them strongest soldier and a brave like a Delia. People don't remind me who Delia is, please. But them strongest soldier. A Jamil sing, strongest soldier get the hardest fight. Don't it? Alright, so I'ma make them know so them strongest soldier. In other words, he's talking about the whole conglomerate, the whole MVP, which involves Alkaline, Mavado, and Jamil. And he must have the whole team the weak. And the strongest soldier over there is not even as strong as Delia. Not even brave like Delia. Circle them area with beer Glock. The Patriots are show true colors when the fake Ras are race off. Alright, again, you know what I say, when them say circle them ends with beer Glock and the Patriots, we're talking about Jamil, him call himself the Patriots, right? Him team is the Patriots. The Patriots is just like how Popcorn have Unruly. Just like how Mavado have Gulliside. Just like how, you know what I say, with the one and name again, Alkaline have Vendetta. At the same way, Jamil have the Patriots. So, Chronic Law says, circle them area with beer Glocks. The Patriots are show true colors when the fake Ras are race off. Now, as you know, Jamil also have a tune we call True Colors. Right? Humpty Dumpty, thing a picnic thing. Look how the pump is still. Ma hold the K in a lovely way and open out your face. Alright. The man say Humpty Dumpty a picnic thing. Because Jamil keep on calling him Humpty Dumpty. You understand? Him make fun of Chronic Law wait. Now like still, me hear enough people that say that still like, yo, from Chronic Law buses like him not slow down off and then eating or the consuming of food. Then like the food them get better and the man does again weight and more weight. Me hear some people, even people who like him music, you know. I say like dog, you need to slow down off and the weight gain still. So I say about Sita now, Jamil is actually using it as fuel to the fire. And I call the man Humpty Dumpty. But him make Jamil know say Humpty Dumpty a picnic thing that dog. Man dep on some big man thing, bad man thing, gun thing where I deal with. You see me? Hold the K, watch how the pump is stay. Hold the K in a lovely way, up and out your face. And next line him say, Rockfort have the rifle, yeah. The rifle, I swear to you, if you go listen to that verse in the song, it bad narrated and I think it was one of the most melodic parts of the song. Rockfort have the rifle, yeah. The rifle in a green and gold. Squeeze it, boy, heel and toe. Them bust, bun weed and coke. Wrap it up the big lip rasta way. Feed pan pork. Bash it, ever have it. Couple-matic in a theme, John Sport. If those idiot foes pars in 3s and 4s, them get it neat and cold. I saw the dream man roll. Yo, the thing, that line there, that whole piece there, bad as Ross. Alright? Now if I tell you, you know, watch how my youth are going to answer back the part where I'm talk about Bashi. Anyhow, we're still unrelevant. I'm going to say, me no see uno no relevant. Uno a pussy with period and belly cramp. But clean. I just said the man no lyrical. Think about it. Pum pum we are talking of vagina, you know. Vagina come with a period, right? A good a functioning vagina comes with a period. And then it come with, if you ask a female, she say, yeah, when she get her period, she get belly cramp. Alright? The man say, him no see uno irrelevant, uno a pussy with period and belly cramp. That mean you are an official pum pum. Yeah. Anyhow, he go on to say this. Him say him just do this for the fans. Me just do this for the whole of my fans. If them not pick war, them not have no song. In other words, him a say then Jamil never trending, him never hot with nothing what him do yet. If him not pick war, him really not get no song. And honestly speaking, Jamil have some very good songs out there. But when last has Jamil been trending? Cause I'm sure it's trending right now in the war, yeah, don't it? And I made a joke the other day when I said the people them I say a 6 time now. And it's not joke me attack. Me make joke about it, but a true thing. From 6 go link up with Gaza, you know, so the thing slap and a base 6 me here, the people them I say is like a them around the place right now, as far as dancehall music goes. Right? So he went on to say, bad man and Shabdan, I fuck your baby mother. Shan. And she a say, you know no use. For no gallus thing is a prank. Alright, them throw the man baby mother in there. You know them warrior get dirty and murky, you know, people. And that's the thing, you know. It can get very personal because baby mother get thrown in there. Baby mother probably sit on our yard right now and say, I don't even know them guys. And Jamil probably a stress her out right now. How the hell am I call up your name? If you don't know them. Hey, I who go over the house, then I don't know. Them thing I get very serious. We just hope that it stay upon wax still. Alright? The man says, Soldier Man, live with. Me want to know who live with Soldier Man. If the place dark up, and the rifle make power cut. Remember that. Strength them a look. So, he is accusing Jamil of looking at strength. And you have to listen to them song back to back in order to decipher which one is actually better than the other. Chip Glock. In a Chip Glock now, let me give Jamil this. This is a proper counteraction song. Because if you listen to Relevant and you listen to Chip Glock right after, everything in a Relevant that was mentioned was counteracted in Chip Glock. A proper counteraction song this. Girl alone knows something tough. What you mean by feel like him tough? Batman lad that thought they want to fix up. Right after the Batman start address him. You see what I say? The man say, people we kill, we no blood clot mix up. After Chronic Class say, Bobo Hill, we no giant or we no like our Rasta we mix up. Him say, people we kill, we no in a no blood clot mix up. And then him call out the man name. Him government name, Akeem Campbell. Your fucking life, you got gamble. That part there, remember me saying to people, in a them warrior, me like hear when name call. Let me know who you are talking about. Come out brave and bold. Stop dash words. When you have dash word, it's like somebody will want to fight you. You outside pan them lawn in front of them house, and them inside a fling stone through the window. Come outside and fight. Call a name. Make we know who you are war with. Well, we don't need to ask here because the man say, Akeem Campbell, your fucking life you got gamble. All when him say him bust him head, kill the egg, Humpty Dumpty scramble. In other words, Jamila said the man shaped like an egg. Bust him head and the egg scramble. Living with Soldier Man. Now tell me where you and your man do. See? So me I say, who I live with Soldier Man and what Soldier Man them I talk about? Big 9 night, hillside full up a kango. Right away, right? Remember say a Chronic Law have the song where say, rather dep on a hillside. Jamil say, big 9 night, hillside full up a candle. Tell Crapdan, him late, cause me been a fuck for him baby mother. I saw, remember you know, him just tell the man, Jamil say, bad man, Shabdan, a fucking baby mother Shan. And the man answer right back. Jamil answer right back and say, tell him say him late, cause me been a fuck for him baby mother too. Then that line here, where him say, then I him them say a lyricist, when all me I hear are like this, like that and like this, and bear similes. Tell him, tell himself say him are the wickedest thing. I must say blood clot, syphilis. Catch, and the part where him say him catch the fat fuck down at Kentucky. Him killing them catch the fat fuck down at Kentucky, right? Can't hide from me, dog. Me know about your rape case. Hello? Hello? Me know about your rape case. Remember when time Alkaline they go at Popcorn and him bring up the whole rape case thing? Eh? I saw. Anyhow, the man say, hype him a look. Chronic Law, call him name again, straight out. Chronic Law, nah no brain. You know, sister, when numbers are not the same. Hi. Never know me have to kill one of my fans them. Humpty Dumpty knows all of my songs them. Well, in fairness, still, Jamil get a head start in the game before Chronic Law. You know what I say? And link with some powerful people in the game before Chronic Law come in the game. So, in that essence, then, I don't expect the numbers to be the same. But at the same time, make we look upon numbers for real, because right now, Relevant has 385,000 views, and Chip Glock from Jamil has 359,000 views. You know what I say? So, wanna lead by a couple thousand views, but if you ask me, the numbers are pretty much the same. You see what I say? So anyhow, go on for the next line now. The man say, wait there. Alright, him say, never know me have to kill one of my fans them. Humpty Dumpty know all the words of my songs them. Who a cuddle with Bashi? And who a cuddle with Bashi though? Him a talk about my youth here. Cha Boss, you know, call him La Boss, you know, him say Cha Boss. And you know what Cha Boss mean? You don't bow down and a chew and a cha. Alright? Could I tell you suck back your mother too? But me not join the bag of talking. Me go make me daddy fuck back your mother. I saw. I remember me tell you so them thing get real dirty. Girlfriend get draggy in, baby mother get draggy in, man mother get disrespected. This is one of the reasons why enough people just tune out a dancehall clashes. But for those of us who this is what we enjoy, then you don't know say I saw the thing go already. Right? So just forward to the next tune. The man a make fun of the man weight gain star. Bag of fuckery and yam. I tag your belly cramp. So, yo, Chronic Law, here one, La Boss, here one. The people that must say if you lose some weight, yeah, so you might have to go start jog and cut out some of the things them where you consume and, you know what I say, decrease in size and them things. But other than that, we now watch man body and them things, so we're no business about man in size. You know what I say, why and fire for them talk there. And we move on to the next one. Just stay tuned, people. The next one is going to be Talk Facts versus Quarant Kill next. All me I say is Relevant, bad as hell, but Counteraction, Chip Glock by Jamil is a proper Counteraction song. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me which one do you think and which side you are riding on. Now listen, don't be too biased for when time your artist drop a song when it really connect. You can't say, boy, that song don't really connect still. You know what I say? Remember, them kind of warrior, it push the artist to be better and greater. Understand? So let's go. Comment section below. Which side you're upon? Which song you say is better? Is Chip Glock a better song than Relevant? Or did Jamil really show up and show out? Or Jamil can't handle this because La Boss does too much for him when it comes to the lyrics? Talk up. I'm out. Peace.